Step 1. Click on File / Save As / Browse / File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM / Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert / Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Amend the file path in line 13 inside of the quotation marks as it is currently set as C /USE or S /ANONYMOUS /DOCUMENTS /TEMP and make sure that a / is included at the end of the file path stated. What it does, the code will automatically look in the file path stated and will convert all GIF images into SVG format automatically.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com